Hello my students, how are you? We'll complete quiz 3. Okay, look at with me. With 3 till lesson 3 unit 1. Complete the following. Number 1, the solution set in R of the equation x power 3 plus 9 equals 0 is. Look at with me, x power 2 plus 9 equals 0. It's impossible. X power 2 plus 9 equals 0. So the solution will be 5. We have another method, or someone can solve it by another method. He will put negative 9, the inverse of 9 here, negative 9, and put negative 9 here. He will cancel 9 minus 9, 9 minus 9 equals 0, and x power 2 equal negative 9, and he will get square root of negative 9. We can find the result by x equal square root of negative 9. It's impossible, so it's not belonging to R. So the solution set will be 5. So okay, solution set is 5. Question number 2, R minus Q. We know this R. We can divide it R by Q and Q dash, rational number and irrational number. So R minus Q, or R difference Q, will be Q dash. It's okay. Question 3, if the cube root of x equal negative 5, then x equal, we will find x by times negative 5 3 times itself. Negative 5 times negative 5 times negative 5 equal negative 125. The result will be 125, and we write negative here, so x will be negative 125. Question 2, solve each of the following equation to the nearest one decimal, given that x belonging to R. Number 1, half of x power 2 minus 3 equals 0. We will solve it. Look with me here. Look at here. Okay, number 1, half of x power 2 minus 3 equals 0. We will solve it by 8 positive 3 by left hand side, right hand side. Negative 3 plus 3 equals 0. Half of x power 2 equal 3. We can find the result by times 2 and 3 equals 6. So the result will be x power 2 equals 6. So in the last step, x equal positive or negative square root of 6. We can using calculator write square root 6. Square root of 6 equal 2.44. We can write 2.4 because 4 can't give 1. 4 less than 5, so 4 can give 1 to 4, so the result will be 2.4. He want to the nearest decimal. Okay, so x equal positive or negative 2.4. It's okay. Belonging to R, solution set equal positive or negative 2.R. Don't forget positive or negative. It's okay. You must write positive or negative. If you write positive only or negative only, you will get the wrong number, and the result will be wrong. It's okay. Question 2, x minus 3 in brackets or power 3. Question 2, x minus 3 in power 5th, power 3 equal 5. X minus 3 to power 3 equal 5. We can solve it by get the cube root of negative 5, cube root of 5 here, and x will be cube root of 5 by plus 3. The cube root of 5 plus 3 we can use in calculator. Cube root of 5 plus 3 12. 4.7. Look at with me here. 4.7. It's okay. 12. 4.7 poly to R. So the solution set equal 4.7. It's easy for you. Okay, another example. Letter P. Write 3 irrational positive numbers less than 3. Who can solve it? We want find 3 irrational positive numbers less than 3. Look at with me. 3 will be 9 if we have square root of 9 equal 3, and square root of 8 less than square root of 9. So square root of 8 less than square root of 9 less than 3, and square root of 7 less than square root of 8, and square root of 6 less than square root of 9. It's okay. So the result will be, we can write square root of 6, square root of 7, square root of 5, as you like. So who can solve it again? Who can tell me this method? We will write 3 equal square root of 9. So we can find the square root of 5 and square root of 6 and square root of 7. All this number less than 3, because 3 equals square root of 9, and square root of 5 less than square root of 6 less than square root of 7, square root of 9, and so on. Okay, so I want the irrational number less than 3. It will be square root of 5, square root of 6, square root of 7, square root of 8. You can use calculator to show your result. You can write in your calculator square root 5, it will be 2.2 less than 3, and square root of 6, 2.4, and square root of 7 is 2.6. Is this number than 3. It's okay. Okay, thank you, my students. I will talk about question quiz 4 in the next time. Thank you. Goodbye.